What's up, everybody? In the area around St. Louis, there's a lot to see. I was impressed with the St. Louis wheel. It's basically an enormous Ferris wheel over the city. The arch was cool too, and so was a boat ride over the river. Eventually, though, it's time for food, and I took Kyle Hanner's suggestion and went to the Horseshoe Lounge and Restaurant in nearby Collinsville, Illinois. They serve up a gigantic 6-pound version of a horseshoe. That's Texas toast piled high with several pounds of hamburger, cheese, chili, beans, french fries, and Monterey Jack cheese sauce. Eat this whole thing in 30 minutes or less and your food is on the house. With no fanfare, no BS, and no stalling, it's time to find out why they call it horseshoes and hand grenades.
Timer for 30 minutes. I'm going to leave my phone right here if you want to get up and look at the time. I'll kind of set it right here so that you can stand up and look.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
All right, let's start.
Thank you.
And usually if you just hit the lock button, it'll tell you they're right there by the time.
So here we are, back again with another big-time dining experience. I'd actually never eaten a horseshoe before, so ultimately it is fitting that someone like me would find an introduction with a mega portion. The menu listing put this meal at 6 pounds, and I think that's a pretty accurate listing. From what I read, the horseshoe originated in Springfield, Illinois, so it is very much Midwestern cuisine. Sometimes it comes as an actual sandwich. This one felt like a deconstructed sandwich buried in fries. Too big, too stuffed for everything to hold together nicely, but presented well enough so you could see all the ingredients and appreciate how they come together for a hearty, meaty flavor. That's the taste of Illinois right here. I was loving every second of it. The staff was excited that I wanted to try the challenge, and they were hopeful that I'd be successful. My favorite part of this horseshoe may have been the chili. I liked the firm texture of the black beans and the medium flavor and heat of the chili sauce. There was a lot of it, but that sauce helped to soften the fries and the Texas toast, and it helped me get the hamburger patties down. The fries were done very well on this massive platter. Not crispy, not soggy, but firm and full of bite. About halfway through the pile, I had serious confidence that I'd complete this challenge in the 30 minutes. The only question was how long would it actually take? Leave your thoughts in the comments below about how long it would take, and stick around to see the conclusion to this hearty, meaty Illinois endeavor.
Come on, man, you can do it.
I know.
Hell yeah.
I brought him a bucket. I don't think he's going to need it. 16.39.
Bigger spoon. You're too nice, man. Just shove the shit in, man.
come back in about 2 minutes. 'Cause I think you're gonna do it, and I want to know the exact time. When you swallow that last bite, stick your tongue out, just call it dead, and I'll give you your time. It's not a matter of if, it's when.
Just when you know when you get the last bite, swallow it and then
Open your mouth, let me see it's empty, and I'll stop the timer. Oh, yeah. We got 7 minutes left. That's everybody's reaction.
he's like, holy smokes.
That's it.
23 minutes and 59 seconds.
Wow. That
23 minutes, 59 seconds.
I feel okay. The chili
He's not gonna be able to move.
Probably not.
How do you feel?
I feel okay.
Really?
Yeah. The chili was really good. I like the chili.
We are famous for our chili.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I had a friend who suggested.
Several years in a row.
Oh, cool. We met up with a friend today, and he suggested we try Heritage. I think he'd been here quite a while ago.
23 minutes, 59 seconds.
Now, see if somebody asks me Wednesday, because I have people asking me all the time. I'm going to say, you did it.
And here goes the dynamite. The 6-pound I Could Eat a Horse challenge was completed. For my efforts, I received the $30 meal for free, and my picture was hosted on the restaurant Facebook page. Another new state, this time Illinois, was added to the list of US states where I've done a food challenge in. Subscribe to Freak Eating today so you can continue my summer journey throughout the Midwest. I added several new states to my registry. Till we eat again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.